Look at how cute you are laying on the window blanket. Getting in. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Ashley. Hi, Becky. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Hi, handsome. Do you like your new little blankie? Hi, Mimi. Mimi. What? Hi, sweetie. Excuse me. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Mama can't hold this and scratch at the same time. Hi, Ash. Hi, Ash. Hi, Denny. Hi, handsome. Hi. He's a pretty girl. Who's a pretty girl? Oh, girls. Mm. Mimi's got her leg on top of her brother. Does she have her leg on your face? Does she have her leg on your head? Somebody's tongue sticking out. Hi, Mimi.